Dearest Sumit and Soumya, congratulations and many happy returns of the day from Kulkarni family in Manchester. We wish you a lifetime of love and happiness. May your love grow forever. God bless you. Sumit, I need to tell you one thing. You have made me very impressed about you. You have proved me wrong, in fact. As a youngster and as a kid, you were a very naughty boy. I used to tell Girija and Murli, put this fellow in the boarding school and he'll be alright. But that never happened. Over a period of time, you have grown out to be very calm, clever, intelligent, loving, and a kind man. In fact, you have become Soumya. And that's when I realized somebody called Soumya might have entered your life. But jokes apart, Sumit, you have made your parents, grandparents, in fact, you have made all of us very proud. We are very proud for you. Soumya, what should I talk to you about? In Rig Veda, there are verses which say that when a woman gets married, she comes to in-laws' house as a queen. Please come to my sister's family as a Kulkarni queen, and please be the queen of Sumit. God bless you. Dearest Girija and Murli, Hari Om. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಚಂದ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಭದ್ರತೆ, ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ, ಉತ್ಸಾಹ, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಗುಡ್. ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನುಳಿದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನವಾಗಲಿ, ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆ ದೇವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ರಾಯಚೂರು ಒಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ ಪ್ರಭುಗಳಿದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ವಿಜಯದಾಸರು, ಜಗನ್ನಾಥದಾಸರು, ಗೋಪಾಲದಾಸರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಥ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಾಯಚೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಷಯ. ಜೈ ರಾಯಚೂರು, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ನೀವಿಬ್ಬರು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿರುವ ಪೂರ್ಣಪ್ರಜ್ಞ ಶಾಲೆ ಹಾಗೂ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ಮಂದಿರ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸದಾಕಾಲ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಗಾಢವಾದ ನಂಬಿಕೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಗೋಸಲರಾವ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹಾಗೂ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಸುಮಿತ್ ಲಗ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬಹಳ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಇತ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇರಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನನ್ನ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಗಳು. ಹರಿ ಓಂ.
Oh, gorgeous, Sumit and Soumya. That's Irish for congratulations. What a wonderful moment again. Here the months rolled on. We waited for this big day and it's nearly there. Thursday, 13th May. Your wonderful and much awaited day. So really enjoy your big milestone, a big event. We're sadly going to miss it, but what a great celebration it's going to be. Your mother and father, Girija and Murli, you have worked very hard for this. So we are with you, our prayers are with you, and we will be thinking of you all every moment for this big event. I would like to wish Girija and Murli, apart from wishing you all our prayers and love and hugs from all of us here, also wishes to Arju, Sriranga and Virat. Really missing you all once again. Have a wonderful time, a wonderful life together, Sumit and Soumya. Love from all four of us in Manchester.
Hi Sumit, hi Soumya. Congratulations to you both on this very special day. It's a shame that we can't be there to celebrate with you in person, but please do visit London soon and we'll be knocking at your door in Ireland. Also Girijatti and Murli Mama, congratulations as well. It's a very special day for you. And best wishes to Archana, Jiju and Virat.
Hi Sumit, hi Soumya, congratulations on such a lovely day. We're so disappointed we couldn't be there to celebrate with you. But when you're back in Ireland, we'll have lots of fun. And Girajati, Murli Mama, congratulations on such a special day for you guys too. And we send our wishes, and also wishes to Archana, Jiju and Virat. We're thinking of you all.
Hi, congratulations Suman and Soumya. Wishing you a very happy married life. God bless you.
Congratulations Suman and Soumya. Wish you happy married life.
Hi Soumya Suman, wish you happy married life and prosperous married life. ಭಾಳ ನಾವು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್. ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಹಳದಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ನೀರು ಏನಂತಾರೆ
ದೇವರ
ಸಮಾರಾಧನೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಭಾಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ನಾವು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿದ್ರು ನಾವು ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೇಖಾ ಮುರಳಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಭಾಳ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಗತ್ಯದ ಆಮಂತ್ರಣ ಇದ್ರೂ ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಭಾಳ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ once again I wish Soumya Suman all the best and happy married life. Thank you.
Hi Soumya, Suman, congratulations, happy married life. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಗ್ನ ನಾವು ಭಾಳ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೈವ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದಂತ ಖುಷಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ರೇಖಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾರಿ ತಯಾರಿ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಾರಿ ತಯಾರಾಗಿ ಚಂದ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಜಾ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. Hi.
Hi Sumit and Soumya. Wish you a very happy married life in advance.
Hi Sumu, Soumya, wish you a very happy married life as well. ಸಾರಿ ನಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋವಲ್ತು. ಭಾಳ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತಿತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನೋ ಈಗ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚಲೋ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಬಂದಾಗ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು, ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಯು ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಸೌಮ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್.
ಫುಲ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಬಿಗ್ ಡೇ. ಅಂಡ್ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. ವಿ ಲವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಆಲ್ ದ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್. ಓಕೆ,
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್.
Congratulations.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Hello everyone. Where should I start? You know, I had booked my tickets from 5th of May and I was so excited that I would be able to attend Sumi's marriage right from the beginning. We would get so much time practicing the Sangeet dances and we would be having a lot of fun. All the late night gossips and laughters with my cousin's gang. I'm really missing all that. Really, I cannot tell you in words. So nonetheless, we are seeing everything live and it is just awesome. The marriage preparations, the decorations are really great. I'm just imagining how it would have been if I was there with all of you guys. So congratulations, Rekha Mami, Murli Mama, Archana, Sriranga. Rekha Mami, Archu, you guys are looking very beautiful. Murli Mama, Sriranga, Virat and our hero Sumit is looking very handsome. Congratulations and welcome Soumya to our family.
Hello everyone. Hello Sumit, Murli Mama, Rekha Mami, Tata and Archu. I hope everyone is having a great time there. This was the first South Indian wedding which I was really looking forward to attend in person. But you guys know, due to the pandemic scenario, this was not possible. Nevertheless, though we are physically not present there, but mentally we are Indian wedding which I was really looking forward to attend in person. But you guys know, due to the pandemic scenario, this was not possible. Nevertheless, though we are physically not present there, but mentally we are with you people. Today I also saw the Bharat ceremony. Sumit and Soumya, you make a gorgeous couple. You guys really look beautiful. I wish both of you a lifetime of happiness. Cheers, and Sumit, welcome to the club of married men. Cheers.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Soumya once again, and welcome Soumya.
Wish you both a happy married life, Suman and Soumya.
May all your wishes come true.
Hi Suman. Hi Soumya. Wish you both a very happy married life. Sorry we couldn't come to your marriage, but nonetheless we are sending all our love and blessings to you. So congratulations and enjoy.
ಸುಮಿತ್ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ನೀವಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಮದುವೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರಲಿ.
Hi. Happy married life to Sumit and Soumya. Stay blessed with good health, wealth and lots of happiness. All the best for your future.
Hey, hi everyone. How are you? Hope you all are doing great. Every day I'm watching all the videos on YouTube and I'm missing a lot that fun. So first of all, Rekha Mami, Murli Mama, Archana, Suman, you guys are looking so awesome, and the new couple in the DK family, Suman, Soumya, wish you all the best and happy married life. Hope we see you in December for the reception. Till then, take care. Bye. See you.
Hello Sumi. Hello Soumya. This is Neha, Basir and Akshay from New York.
Congratulations on your big day. We cannot believe you are missing the wedding.
Even though we could not be there, the energy and enthusiasm from the three sisters will make this the most memorable day of your life.
We wish the best to both of you and we are looking forward to seeing some wedding pictures.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, hi Sumi and Soumya, congratulations. I know this day is very special for you, our family. Physically ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಲಿ ಸಾರಿ ಸುಮಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಐ ಕುಡಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಯು before you leave for abroad. I'll make sure I'll catch you and say these wishes face to face again. And Kakki Kakka, please congratulations nimibbrigu first of all, and Kakki please ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. hope you understand. ಹೋಗಷ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, but please Kakki don't be angry on me. You know how much I love you. And
Hi Suman and Soumya, congratulations and wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. Be happy.
Thank you.
Hi Soumya and Sumit, congratulations on your wedding. I'm sure you're having the best time. Wishing you all the love and happiness as you start off your new journey.
Hey Sumi, hey Soumya, I cannot tell you how happy I am that you guys are getting married. Congratulations to Dodamma, Dodappa and the entire Didigi family. We really miss being there on this special day. Hope you guys have great fun and a great rest of your lives. Thank you.
Congratulations again.
Hello everybody. Firstly, congratulations to Suman and Soumya. I really wish you guys a happy, fun-filled and a crazy married life ahead. I did get some pretty quality time to spend with Soumya. Like we used to play Ludo, Jiju, Archana, Suman, Soumya and I. And you guys have come a long way and I'm really happy for you guys. And I wish we will resume playing these games once you guys forgive me for not attending the wedding. And how I wish I really could be there right now, like getting ready, gossiping, laughing, talking. I'm a very talkative person generally, but right now I don't have words to tell you that how I badly miss attending the most awaited and my most favorite and dearest brother's wedding. And Suman, I wasn't just teasing you, I really meant it. And I was always been super excited for this wedding. Ever since the wedding date was announced, like where to go for shopping, what all to shop and all. And my mother was so intrigued seeing my excitement that she told me that I don't think even bride and groom are this excited. And the excitement is still there. It's just that no one can feel it in person. It's just the excitement is just online. Like everything is happening online these days. And I know you're cool, dude, but some part of you might be mad at me for not attending the wedding. But considering the circumstances, we had to take the most difficult decision ever. And we really miss that. Watching a wedding live on a TV screen and attending a wedding in person are two different things, and they're unmatched. The energy is unmatched, but something is better than nothing. So we literally do not miss any second of your wedding events. The moment we get a notification that the events are being live streamed, we literally keep all our work aside, stick to the TV, and do not move until all the rituals are completed. And I don't think neither my parents nor I have ever paid attention to anything being displayed on the TV screen for this long. Neither any interesting movie nor an IPL match also. I really miss the vibe. I really miss the jokes our fathers would crack if we were there. Every moment we see the wedding, we just feel that what we might be doing if we were there at the moment. And I can really keep talking like this for whole day and I won't be getting bored, but I know you guys would be. So I'll just end my message by congratulating you guys once again for your wedding, and I'm wholeheartedly happy for you guys, and I really miss being there right now. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Hi Sumit Mama. Hi Sumit Mama. Wish you a very happy married life. Wish you happy married life.
ಮದುವೆ ಎನ್ನುವುದು 3 ಗಂಟು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಧನ ಅಂತ ಅವತ್ತು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಬಂಧನ. ಆ ಬಂಧನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವವರು ಸುಮನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೌಮ್ಯ. ಸುಮನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಇರುವವ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮನಸ್ಸು, ಒಂದು ಸ್ನೇಹ ಭಾವ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಭಾವ ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಮನ್. ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವಳು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೌಮ್ಯವಾದ ಮನಸ್ಸುಳ್ಳವಳು, ಕ್ಷಮೆಯ ಧರಿತ್ರಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಅರ್ಥ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮನಸ್ಸು, ಕ್ಷಮೆಯ ಧರಿತ್ರಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವಳು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸೇರಿದರೆ ಸಂಸಾರ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಸುಮನ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಅವರ ಮದುವೆಯ ಬಂಧನದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Wish you married life.
Married life, Sumit. Congratulations. All the very best.
Hi Anna, happy married life.
ಹಾಯ್ ಸುಮಿತ್, ಮದುವೆಯ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಲೈಫ್. ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಲೈಫ್.
Happy married life both of you.
Hope to see Junior Sumit soon. Sumit bro.
Congrats on your wedding, bro, and happy married life.
Happy married life, bro.
Congratulations on your wedding day and best wishes for the happy life together.
Congratulations, bro, and happy married life.